That brak ook toe. That brak stole my sunglasses na. Took my sunglasses. And I have a feeling that brak is lying somewhere on the beach like this with my glasses on. I tell you, seriously.
That little thing is always on his way looking for food. That is where he is. Out in the rubbish dumps, all that. If I'm not looking, then he someone takes a whole sister out of my pan. I'm telling you, it's not even a lie. That dog is vergatlik, man.
Waar is optel? Ik meen, waar kry mens alle brakke? Hulle is altyd saam. Optel is in 'n group meeting en die ander optels.
Optel? Oh, gracious! Who knows where Optel is? Oh, you know, some brats are completely untrained. I don't like it at all.
Wie waar hy is, hy gaan nie sê nie. En laatst toe ek hom gesien het, toe vang hy nog vis. Ek weet van hom. Wag, miskien moes ek hy gesê het. Maar weet julle wat is die waarheid? Optel as by die Olympics.
Ek sal hom kry.